Today we are talking about quick and easy ways to get rid of bed bugs. Number 1. Clearing clutter and washing bedding. First thing first, clear out any accessory items around your bed and the surrounding area. Bedbugs love to hide in cracks and crevices, so reducing their hiding spot is essential. Next, strip your bed sheet, pillowcases, blankets, everything. Pop them into washing machine with hot water and a good detergent. High temperature will kill those bugs and their eggs. Number 2. Vacuum and spray. Vacuum your mattresses, bed frame, and the entire room thoroughly. Pay special attention seams, corners, and edges that where bed bugs love to hang out. After vacuuming, it's time for some steam power. The heat will penetrate deep and eliminate those stubborn bugs. Next, natural remedies. Use essential oils like lavender, tea tree, and peppermint are known to repel bed bugs. Create your do-it-yourself spray by mixing a few drops of these oils and water and spray it around your bed and furniture. Next, diatomaceous. It's natural powder that harmless to human but lethal to bed bugs. Spray it around your bed and other infested areas. When the bugs come into contact with it, the powder will penetrate their exoskeleton, dehydrate them, and effectively get rid of them. Remember, it's essential to act fast when you suspect infestation to prevent it from spreading. Don't forget to hit like button if you found these tips helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more home hacks and pest busting solutions. Thanks for watching and stay bug free.